Welcome to my blog. I'm Bergen, and as you can see, I'm in my Christmas PJs and I am staying at the Polynesian resort. And if you've ever had the OHANA meal, you know it's amazing, but it's really hard to get reservations. And if you just want to, relax by the pool and come back and enjoy the meal, you actually can. So not very many people know this. I just found out that you can actually order the OHANA meal as room service. It's called the Twilight Feast. So you just call up room service, tell them you want the Twilight Feast for 1, 2, 3, however many people you need it for. Right now it's $60 per person, but it is a pretty good portion, so you can always just order one portion for multiple people.